Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a Hapa Kristin review for you guys, and it's only on one color contact lenses, but it is from the collection Secretive Kristin. They have yet add another color, and this time is the gray color, and I'm super excited for this because you guys know I do love my gray color, so I'm super stoked that they have released a gray version. If you guys haven't checked out my previous Secretive Kristin videos, I'll put those two down in my description box below as well for you guys to check out, because I feel like in those videos they will be like thorough close-up of the other colors as well, because I feel like in this video I'm solely just going to talk about the Secretive Kristin Grey. And if you guys are wondering about the other colors, I have done reviews for all of them. Check them out and it is down below. The price for this one is $25.99, and if you use my discount code here, you'll get 10% off. I'm not affiliate to it, I just want to mention that, but if you guys want extra 10%, by all means use this discount. And again, the shipping is so affordable, so you might as well buy some other Secretive Kristin as well to get the free express shipping, but I'll put all the shipping info here as well for you guys to check out. And in terms of the sizing for this is the overall diameter is 14.2mm, but the graphic diameter is only 13.0, hence why it doesn't really look too enlarging on the eyes. I mean, I feel like it doesn't look too enlarging on me. And I really like this particular grey because obviously it's like a two-tone. You get that really nice cool grey at the bottom, and then on the top you get that dark black. And overall, when you mix it up together, it just looks so gorgeous. I feel like I like this more than the black now, to be honest, because sometimes the black one can look a little bit too dark, but if you want something a bit more brighter and enhance your eye look a little bit more, I feel like this grey is actually really beautiful on the eyes, and I cannot describe how beautiful it is. I absolutely love it, and I wish that they will release like a day version of this, and they are slowly releasing, you know, like the daily contact lens for Secretive Kristin. They've already released like 2 of the brown ones, so fingers crossed that they release a grey version of this, because I would absolutely get this. But yeah, I really love this. And with this one, again, you see that dark black grey outline, and then going inward you see that two-tone color, and I feel like having that border, that outline on the outside, doesn't just make it look a little bit enlarging, but also it just looks very natural as well. And for me, it just blends really nicely onto my iris, if that makes sense. It really doesn't look like I'm wearing contact lenses, like enlarging contact lenses, those circle contact lenses, you know. So it just gives you a little bit of enlargement, but I just love how everything just blends well together. And I'll also put like a side-by-side comparison of this grey with the new Olens one as well, so you guys can check out the differences, because I'm sure some of you guys would be curious about, you know, how they look like, whether they're similar, whether they're different. But I'll slot it in here so you guys can see the differences as well. This is a very short review, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to talk about any other Secretive Kristin, whether you want me to do like a look on it or comparisons. But yeah, put it down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.